Today's adventure will take me 21 nautical miles from Walsh Cove Marine Park to Dent Island Lodge. All right, here we are. We've done all of our boat math, and Dave, let's just do a quick little summary. We are transiting from Walsh Cove to Dent Island. We're going to go through the Yuculta Rapids, Gillard Passage, and then land at the dock at Dent. Dent, we are going to do reverse math. Their slack's at 1:30, and we should be in Yuculta a half an hour beforehand. So we worked it backwards. We figured if we stick around 8.5 knots, it would take us 2 hours. You say 2 hours?
From start to finish.
From start to finish. So we left right on the nose at 11 o'clock. It's 12:30. We have a 1 hour ETA, and right now we are, what pass are we in?
We're coming up on Stewart Island in the distance, and traveling 9.5 knots. We're going to get there a little bit ahead of time just to give us a little bit of a window just in case we need it, and eventually we'll pull in the tender and get it side tied, and we should be hitting Dent Island Lodge right at 1:30.
Now Yuculta has no tide station or current station, but Gillard does. So Gillard, when we left, was running at about 7 knots, and what is it right now?
Oh, it's
We're like,
almost 3.
An hour and a half in, so it's dropped a fair amount. And the plan is to be at Gillard just after slack, so that we'll be at Dent at slack.
It's running 3.3 knots right now.
So we've dropped 5 knots in the hour and a half that we've been traveling. So we will give you an update in probably 45 minutes or so. We arrived at Gillard Passage, and it was slack but busy. We went through with 10 other boats. It was a quick starboard turn, and we arrived at Dent Island Lodge. It was a bit of a full circle moment because I worked at Dent Island as a summer job back in the late 1970s. Same sole, fancier shoes. All right, so here we are at Dent Rapids. At Gillard, it's running 9.5 knots. The peak today will be 9.97. But check this out. It's poor Inconceivable. But look at the water up against the As You Wish. Oh, this is Mother Nature at her finest. Look at they put in extra fenders for us because they're just totally getting squished and you can't move the boat at all. Oh, I guess the As You Wish is getting her bottom cleaned. This is a time lapse of the rapids, and Mother Nature is amazing. At one point in the day, kayakers were drifting through Dent Rapids, and the next minute, not so much. Hey there, at Dent Island, and today we are actually going out on the Grady for a cruise of the rapids. The jet boat is not feeling well today, so we're not going to go to Devil's Hole, but we'll skirt around the edges, and I'll show you some video when I get back.
Ready?
Yep. We are ready. The Dent, Erin, and Gillard Pass Rapids are a masterclass in raw, untamed power. Mother Nature at her most dramatic. And unless you're a seasoned pro with nerves of steel, this is strictly a do not try this at home situation.